Hi everyone! If you're new here, I'm Alan with Earthglow, and this channel is all about sharing the joy of candle making. So today's video is going to be an unboxing from 3 different places. I just got some mail in and I've kind of been saving it for the last week or so. So we have a package from Modern Craft Labs. I think I ordered some new concrete, a larger size concrete mold. And then this package, it just says shipping department. I blocked out my address, but I can't even remember who this one is from. And then this giant box back here is one from Candle Science. So anyways, if you're new to this channel, then consider subscribing. I am always posting candle making business related content, and yeah, so let's get right into today's video and I hope that you enjoy. Shout out to Handcrafted, who sent me this box cutter. So I'm so bougie now. I don't even know how to use this. I think you're supposed to like push this down, and then I'm not even in the frame. Okay, let me move the camera down a little bit here. Okay, so yeah, I think you're supposed to like push this thing down, and then you. Oh my God, that's so much easier. I had no idea. Wow. Okay. Thank you so much, Nia. I never, ever would have bought these because I feel like they're so like a waste of money. But now that I have one, we'll see. I'm kind of liking it. So yeah, I have no idea what is in here. Oh, okay. So this is from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and what I ordered, this is for room sprays. I ordered some Poly Sorbit 20 and then some Optifin Plus, and these are gonna be for making room sprays. So I'll do a separate video for you all on those, and I'm kind of changing the way that I'm doing them a little bit because I want to bring them back. Okay, and then we've got another box here, and this one is from Modern Craft Labs. This, I want to say what I had ordered. I think it's one of their larger molds. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn you all around so you can watch my expression when I open that. And then this giant one from Candle Science, I think, so they sent me whatever is in here. I believe these are some vessels. They're 3 wick tumblers, I think is what I really wanted to try out. So thank you so much to Candle Science who sent me these. Let's see what we have in here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of packing peanuts in here. These are amazing as well. So many of the suppliers use these biodegradable peanuts, and they're so amazing for when you're packing orders and all that stuff. Okay, I'm gonna set this one down so that I can get in here to these vessels. Alright, and then they always pack their vessels extremely well. Most of the vessels that I've ordered in my jars, I've gotten, the ones that I've gotten from Candle Science, I've never had any damage issues. And if you do have an issue, you can just message them and they will like immediately replace it. They're very good about that. And okay, so I'm gonna flip you all around and we're gonna look inside here, and then we're gonna open the Modern Craft Labs box as well. Okay, so hopefully I'm in frame here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm drinking my lavender honey tea. It's so soothing. I just put a splash of cream in it. Michael Laponte is the one who told me about that, and he told me to do it with peppermint tea blended with, I think it was lavender. Oh my gosh. This is my lavender honey though, with a splash of just regular creamer. It's just the way that I like to just calm down in the evenings, and it's so soothing and relaxing to me. Okay, so the Modern, or no, let's do the Candle Science one first. So what we have in here, oh my gosh, yay! This is so exciting, you all. So these are the 3 wick vessels, and look at that. Holy cow. To me, personally, that just screams luxury. And they have these in this beautiful silver color that's called gunmetal. And then they have a regular silver, they have rose gold, copper, and I think several other colors. I will put a link to these in the description box, but I am gonna be checking these out. So they call these their 3 wick vessels, and that is because the diameter of these vessels is going to be wider to where you want to at least double wick this, and sometimes you're going to want to triple wick it, just depending on your wax and the wicks that you are using. But yeah, so I've had very, very, very good experience ordering from Candle Science with their vessels, with the quality control. I mean, just top notch, and with their packaging both. So if you're looking to avoid some of the trouble that I put myself through on Alibaba, you know, Candle Science is probably, well, they are my go-to for my jars. And then I do tend to get my tins from Aztec, and I get them from the Flaming Candle as well, but I have had higher damage rates in my tins from the Flaming Candle, so I do tend to get my tins from Aztec. So yeah, I'm really excited to test these out, you all. So stay tuned for my video on testing these 3 wick vessels from Candle Science. And then the next thing I want to show you all, so this is Modern Craft Labs, and these molds are pretty expensive. So yeah, so I paid, let me just take off my address here, $80 for 1 mold. Now this was the wider one, so the ones that are not quite this wide, like the 3-inch wide ones, which is what I'm going to be using in my rustic collection that releases in 2023. They are a lot cheaper. I think they're like $40. I'll put the price up on the screen. But yeah, this 4-inch one was very expensive, but these are real concrete molds. So unlike the molds on Amazon, these are going to be made for concrete, so they will last you a lot longer. And I have nothing but good to say so far from Modern Craft Labs on the molds that I have been using. So they come with, let me just try to show you here. So this is the mold, and then what you do is you pour your concrete in here, and then you put this around the edges of the mold, and it just kind of helps it to stay secured, like in place, and it kind of keeps the shape that way. And yeah, so we're gonna be testing these out, this larger one, in future videos. I just kind of wanted to see. So the diameter of this is probably gonna be pretty similar to these Candle Science vessels, which I'll bet you these are 4 inches. I will put the diameter up on the screen of these Candle Science 3-wick tumblers, but they do seem to be probably about 4 inches would be my guess without measuring those. And so the other thing that I had ordered was just these from Crafter's Choice. And again, I will be posting my video on my room sprays, and I will be sharing with you all the recipe that I use to make room sprays. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, so I guess this was a short video today, but I hope that you all did enjoy. And if you did, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below if you make room sprays or do you just make candles. I know I have played around with reed diffusers as well, and they just haven't sold really well for me, even though I really like the look of them. So yeah, the room sprays I think sell a little bit better than reed diffusers in my experience. But yeah, so I'm excited about that, and I cannot wait to test out these Candle Science vessels. Just so you all can see, because I was really wondering about this, if you buy the gold electroplated vessels from them, just so you can all see, the gold on the electroplated vessels, it's kind of a very rich coppery gold. I think it goes really well with their 3-wick tumblers. You can see, like, it's a little tiny bit different, but it is gonna be very similar. And yeah, I'm so excited. These look 10 times better in person than they did on their website. I cannot wait. Should I test these? I think I'm gonna test these in my beeswax soy and cocoa cream wax blend, because I'm just curious how these would do, like maybe like a double wood wick, just to kind of see. Oh, and then I also wanted to show you, so if you get the reed diffuser vessels from Candle Science, let me grab one so I can show you all. So I get my reed diffuser vessels from Candle Science, and just so you can see, this gold is like the identical gold to the reed diffuser vessels, and I absolutely love these with the black rattan reeds. So yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am obsessed with gold, if you all haven't noticed by now. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much to all of you for watching, and don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from me. And I'm sending all of you peace, love, and light, and I'm wishing all of you happy candle making.